Thank you, Damodar. As per the Indian tradition and custom, we will begin the program with the auspicious lighting of the lamp. I request all the dignitaries to please move forward towards the lamp and assist in lighting. Prabha BS to address the gathering and also to introduce today's CPD.
Respected Associate Dean, Dr. Preventive, guest speaker of today's program, Dr. Mukul Jain, Head of Department of Neighboring Institution, Dr. Soumya Shetty from AJ Institute of Dental Sciences, faculty and heads of departments of MCODS Mangalore, my dear postgraduate students, delegates, and my dear interns. CPD programs that are conducted by our department have always focused on improving knowledge and skills that are required for clinical practice. For CPD program of 2022, the focus was on recent advances in pediatric dentistry. With increasing awareness regarding aesthetic restorative treatment among parents of children who visit for treatment, the demand for tooth-like restorations like Zirconia Crowns has been increasing. At the same time, practitioners are also looking at treatments that are time efficient. So with this in mind, we selected two areas: preformed Zirconia Crowns and preformed spacemaintainers. With the encouragement and support of our beloved Dean, Dr. Ashita Upur, and Associate Deans, Dr. Preventive and Dr. Junaid Ahmed, we are here today for PEDO App 2022, a workshop on preformed spacemaintainers and Zirconia Crowns in pediatric dentistry. To carry out this endeavor, as aptly suggested by our faculty, Dr. Ashwin, we have with us today Dr. Mukul Jain, a pediatric dentist, an entrepreneur who has a startup called Kids See Dental, and who is also the inventor of smart pediatric Zirconia Crowns, to enlighten us on this topic with a hands-on. I am delighted to welcome Dr. Mukul for this program. Dr. Preventive Shetty, our Associate Dean, has always been a pillar of support and guidance in all our endeavors. My hearty welcome to you, madam. My delightful welcome to the heads of the departments, Dr. Soumya Shetty from AJ Institute of Dental Sciences and Dr. Sharan Sargot from Enukoya Dental College, heads of departments of our own institution, as well as faculty from our own institutions who are present here with their good wishes and also who have supported us by encouraging their students to participate in this program. My happy and cheerful welcome to all the delegates, postgraduate students and interns who have registered for this program and are looking forward to learn more with a lot of zeal and enthusiasm. I hope you have a good learning session. Thank you.
So thank you MCODS for this opportunity so that I can share my knowledge. I just hoped my wife was here when Dr. Ashwin was introducing me, but the recording is going on, so definitely I'll show it to her, because she is also a dentist and she is a general dentist. For her, crowns were not required for a pedo patient. When we started our practice, then I told her, if you want to eat more than paneer in your life and go out of India with me, then you will have to believe in crowns. So this is how even my fights with my wife end up discussing crowns. So this is how my life has been in the last 5 years. So coming back to the topic of discussion today, that is preformed Zirconia Crowns and spacemaintainers in Pediatric Dentistry. So this is not my first time I have been to Mangalore. In the year 2009, I had come for an IDA conference where I was just a BDS, and I had attended the IDA National Conference. Was very fascinated by this city. That ice cream parlor was there, the beaches were very good, the colleges were very good. Seeing such a setup, I was doing my BDS in Sangli, a very small rural place where the college was. So that time I thought even dental colleges could be like this. Like we had gone to Manipal to meet one of our senior who was doing perio PG over there. So from there till today, I got an invitation and I am taking the lecture here. So for all the PG students, you have seen today that someone was lighting the lamp over here. So that was my dream that time. When will I get a chance to light that lamp, or when will I get that opportunity? So work hard towards that. Definitely you will get an opportunity. Make pedo your passion and you will definitely achieve big in your life. So coming to full coverage restoration, under that we learned today preformed zirconia crowns, that is the aesthetic crowns. Being of the exercise we do is a crown preparation for lower right each. So your second primary molar, you will do the preparation for a preformed zirconia crown. The first step will be occlusal reduction. For occlusal reduction, 1.5 to 2 mm, and the fissure pattern should not be visible. Your fissure pattern in the preparation should go away. It should be completely flat and smooth, and your adjacent tooth will be your guide. So you can start with the occlusal flat preparation, and if you want you can show it to me, then the next step we can start. Remove this and put this. So you are check whether it's going or not. See, going to clinical view. So start cutting color. To cut this, you have the cutter.